Compilation of vocabulary. Our word for the day is smear. There are four meanings of smear. Dunisan, mansahan, dungisan, magdungis, magmansya, dumhan. He tried to smear his opponent's reputation. Sinubukan niyang siraan ang reputasyon ng kaniyang kalaban. Number two meaning of smear, to mark with something that adheres or stains. Magpahid-pahiran, magkulapol-kulapulan, lahiran, malahiran. She used a cloth to smear the ointment on her wound. Gumamit siya ng basahan para ipahid ang ointment sa kanyang sugat. Number three meaning of smear, to smear thickly. Kulapulan, magkulapulan. Mary smeared her fingers with honey. Ang mga daliri ni Maria ay nakulapulan ng pulot. Number four meaning of smear, a strict mark caused by smearing. Kumalat, mamutla, pahid-bahid, mansahan, dumi, pati. There are smears of oil on your trousers. May mga pahid ng langis ang iyong pantalon. Be careful not to smear the photo with your fingers. Mag-ingat na huwag mamutla ang larawan gamit ang iyong mga daliri. The makeup artist smudged the lipstick causing a smear on her face. Ang makeup artist ay nag-smudge ng lipstick kaya nagkaroon ng mancha sa kanyang mukha. So this is all for now. This is